How to log in to Uber Eats. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Uber Eats account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once you're inside the web browser, just click on the search bar and simply search for Uber Eats. And now here, once you search for it on the result page, just click on the first link. And once you click on it, you'll be prompted to the official homepage of Uber Eats. Now here, once you are in this website, just click on the login button which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you click on it, you'll be prompted to the login page. Now here, in the login page, you can log in with your phone or email number. So here, just enter your email, and once you're done with that, just click on continue, and after that, you'll be prompted to the verification field. So here, you just need to fill in the code that has been sent to your email account, and after that, you can just click on next, and with that, you'll be prompted to your Uber Eats account. And that's it. That's how you can log in to your Uber Eats account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.